Hi, if you want to do content marketing for your business and you don't know how to start it, so today I'm going to share with you all the way from the research and planning, the first part, to the second part, which is creating your content. And then the last part will be publishing. So it will have three parts of it. I'm going to show you what are my favorite tools for all these three parts, yeah, so that you can also start your content marketing. So if you're interested to know what are the social media tools, right, which are my favorites, then you might want to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to jump right in and show you these 5 tools that I use to do my content marketing. All right, the first tools that I'm going to introduce to you is called Answer the Public. Now, this is one of the favorite tools that I use to do research, right? Let me show you, right? So now you want to know the URL, okay, or the domain name, head down to the description later, and then I will list it down over there, yeah? So now when you come to this Answer the Public, this is the page. It actually has only one page. So when you come in here, all you need to know is what are the keywords related to the content that you want to create. So I'm just going to key in some keywords. Let's say, for example, I want to know, or I want to create content in related to video marketing. All right, so you just key in your keyword. Let's say you sell like chocolate cookies, you can put chocolate cookies, and then you can see what are the keywords related to the keywords that you want to search. Let's see. Once you key in your keywords, you may want to sort by your country. Let's say here in Malaysia. So let me find Malaysia. Okay, here, Malaysia. And then I just search. All right, it's that simple. Okay, so this is video marketing, and you can see all these keywords right over here. I think it's still processing. So we are gathering your data. So let's wait for a while. Okay, now it has the result. Usually it just takes a few seconds, right? So you can see here, the darker green color means that there are more people searching for it compared to the lighter color. So over here, meaning that people are looking for like, what's video marketing? How's video marketing works? Okay, what's video marketing? What is video marketing? So these are all the keywords that people are looking for. Yeah, so it gives you an idea what are the questions that people are searching. Why video marketing is so powerful? Why video marketing is important? Why video marketing is important in 2021. Later on, you may see this may be the one topic that I'm going to do, right? Why video marketing is so powerful right now in 2021. Okay, it gives you an idea what are the keywords that people are searching for, right? So here you can see video marketing is the future. Video marketing for small businesses, video marketing in Hindi, right? These are the keywords that people are looking for. Video marketing for real estate agents, right? You can see that real estate agents are interested to know how to do video marketing. So as you scroll down, there are so many, right? And the beauty is that you can actually download it as CSV, means that you can open up in Excel all these keywords. Now, as you scroll down, you can see more of this as well, right? Okay. Video marketing advantages, video marketing blogs, books, and so on. There's so many keywords, right? With just one click, you can find so many keywords and give you an idea what are the questions that people are looking for or searching. So you want to create a content, that people are looking for. So this is one great tool that I would use to do my research. Now it is free, yeah, and all the tools that I'm going to share with you today is all free, but it has this paid version. Meaning in the Answer Public, I can't remember, it will only allows you or limited your search, maybe to 3 to 5 search a day, but it's good enough, yeah. So this is the first part when you do the research. Now, after you research, normally I organize my ideas in Notion. So this is the second tools, yeah, Notion. Now, this is one of my content marketing plan where I plan all this. You can see that this is all like September 1st, 2nd, and all these are the content that I plan to publish on my LinkedIn platform. So if you're not on a LinkedIn platform right now, then you should open one and then connect with me, because LinkedIn is like Facebook 10 years ago, and you publish good content, there's a lot more people can see it compared to Facebook today. So this is the content. Now you can see this is a content plan. I have all the dates, and if this is something that is already over, I can just click over here. I can change the date, right? I can change the date to anything. Yeah, and I can also drag this and organize it. So I can drag it over here and I can organize it. Yeah, or I don't want this, I can drag this over here and just organize it. So this is my content plan, so that I know every day what kind of content that I want to post, you see. So usually I would plan out 2 weeks ahead, and then I will plan like weekly, what are the things, and then I record it one shot. So Notion is a great tool for me to help organize. Now, Notion is not only for content planning, it's my go-to tools to organize all my stuff, right? Customer planning, all my ideas. It's just like a huge notebook that I can organize it in any way you want. Yeah. So interested, just head over to the description below, and then you can see the website URL, and let's just go ahead and register. It is free, but it has premium version as well. Once we have the research and planning, part 2 is that we're going to create your content. So today the content are mostly people like to see photos and videos. So I'm going to take you to the third tools, which is Canva, right? So Canva is my go-to tools, especially for photos. But now today, it can also help us to do video as well. It's a very, very powerful tool. So when it comes to here, let me show you, right? Let's say if I want to create social media, okay, they click here. Now, if you want a square one, I highly recommend you create a square post so that you can reshare it into other social media easily. Yeah. So let's go with the Instagram post, right? Because it's square. Okay, now you have this square, and you don't have to worry about the size. The next thing is that I'll go to this template, and then you can want to search, right? Let's say, for example, I want to do something like motivation goals or health codes. I can just search this, and it gives you all the template. Now, of course, some are paid. You can see these are pro account. Yeah, some are free. So if you just want free stuff, then just select the free one. Yeah. Now, even if you want to pay, it's just like a $1 or $2. Yeah, it's not really expensive. Okay. So these are the codes. Let's say you want to post something about sales promotion, just search for it. Okay. So there's a lot of sales promotion templates. Let's say if I like this template, I can click here, and immediately it comes here. Yeah. Now you can see at the back here, the remove watermark means that this photo you get to pay. But anyhow, you can just go to the photos, and then there are millions of photos you can search. Let's say if I want to find, let's say this is a coffee, then I just put in coffee. I can find lots of photos, and these are like free. Okay. So what I want to do is that, hey, I just want to put this here. Okay. Now I can even go here. I don't like this blocking. I can flip it over. So now the coffee is over. Then I can change the text. Special coffee promo. Something like that. Then change to your brand. Okay. ABC coffee, whatever. Yeah, and you can, that's it, right? Then if you want this, you can move it over a bit, make it smaller. So I can make it smaller over here as well. Okay. All right. Now, this is like done. So you can just adjust it nicely, and then you can just download it for free. Yeah, PNG file, and just download it and then post it to your social media. So it is so easy today. Even today, let's say I want to create a video, I can also create a video. Let me create one here. Go to the videos. There's a lot of stock video. You want to record yourself, you can do it here. Yeah. So let's say I like this, so I can just click it here. I can put the video right over here. Okay, let me delete it, or I can just put it as the background. So now this is the background. You can see this video is moving, and then I can put in a text, right? So I just add a header. Call me now for your special booking. Something like that, right? So too big, then make it smaller. And then I can drag and drop and put it over here. Then this is my video. Now I can play it. Okay, so I don't need the first part of the photos. Yeah, you can see this is the video. Okay. All right, so when you download it, you can just select, okay, if you don't want the first part, you just select the page 2 and then MP4 video. Then you just download it. It's a video. That's it, so simple. So this is my go-to tools and it's free of charge. And if you don't want to pay for the photos, then you go and find your own photos and then you can use this to upload it here and then use it in your social media content. So is it super useful? By the way, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I'm Andrew and I share with you business tips to help you grow your business using online tools like this. If you like this style of content, do subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so that every week when I publish, you'll be notified. Now, meanwhile, you can also share with your friends so that they also can benefit from this content. Now, let's see the number 4 tools. Number 4 tools is the tools, one of my favorite video editing tools on the phone. Okay, so a lot of time, let's say, for example, you take your phone and then you record what you say or record, and then you want to edit it right and then on your phone. This is the tools that I will use, right? CapCut. Now, CapCut is a tools created by TikTok. Okay, TikTok is one of the short videos leader right now in the world. So it has like Apple and Google. It depends on whether you use Android or iOS, and it is so simple to use. Okay, or you just need to go through some simple tutorial, and then it is so powerful. There's so many things that you can do with this simple tools. And the good news, it is free. So you don't need to use any other video editing tools anymore once you have CapCut. Now, I know CapCut is by TikTok. It doesn't mean that when you capture or you edit your video is only the vertical form. You can use any format you want right inside the CapCut. So if you are beginners, you want to know how to edit your videos, this is the tools that you want to go with. So now part 2 means that you know how to create your content. Okay, what are the tools that I use to create my content? And then the final part would be to publish it, right? In order to publish it, my favorite tools, of course, is the Facebook own Creator Studio. Now, if you're publishing to Facebook and Instagram, and this is the right tools that you want to use. It is created by Facebook, so you don't get worried it will be banned by Facebook because this is their own tools. And the beauty is that if you have a lot of pages like me, yeah, it is easily you can manage all your pages and also your Instagram account right over here. You see? So if I want to create, if it's very simple, I just create posts. Yeah. So usually I would create an Instagram feed and then it will publish to my Facebook account as well. So all you need is just click on create Instagram feed and then click on the account and then put your post, right? So you can download the so-called videos or the photos from Canva, and then you can add the content right over here. And then you can see here, post to Facebook as well. Just click here and post to Facebook. Let's say, let me type something here. Okay. And then you want it right over here. Okay, I need to add a content. So let me add some photos. Right, so I simply take on photos. Okay. So then you, of course, going to type what you're going to post, right? And then right over here. If you want to publish to Facebook here, you can click it. Yeah. If you want to schedule it later on, you can also schedule it. Yeah. Set the time and date, meaning that the Instagram post, the timing, and the Facebook can be different. Yeah. So let's put it back, publish now. So meaning that what I publish, it will automatically publish to Facebook as well. But when you come to here, you can see here, you can also schedule it, right? So this is so flexible. So meaning that if you're not free, let's say Monday, you can schedule for the whole week of your social media content straight away, right over here, and schedule it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever time you are, so that you don't have to worry about it. So this is so easy and simple. So one shot, you can post for your Facebook and Instagram. So you save me a lot of my time. So this is one of my favorite. I hope you right now have a clear pictures of using just these 5 tools. You are able to create your content marketing strategy right away. And the beauty is all these are free of charge. Go ahead and start your content marketing right now. If you have any question in related to content marketing or social media marketing, right, just leave your comments right below and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. And this is Andrew. Please do me a favor. Please share this with more people, your friends, colleagues, with people who are building their business right now, so that I can help more businesses or entrepreneurs to grow their business online successfully. If you like this video, just remember to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you real soon in my next video.